Hello. To log in as an employee, just visit ebusiness.gy, select Login, and enter your credentials. Congratulations, you're in. You should be directed to your dashboard where you can view summary information about the leave days you've acquired since working at the organization, how many appraisals you have received and given, along with trainings you have completed. Employees can use the navigation bar at the top of the app for a more detailed overview of their leaves, timesheets, appraisals, trainings, past payslips, and even to generate the GRA Form 7B. On the upper right-hand corner, employees can manage password changes, profile information, and log out if necessary. It's that easy.